Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the system notifications on the Webnovel application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the profile section next to the explore button at the lower right corner of the screen, and go to the settings section and click to the notifications button, and here you can find the system notifications option and just tap to the next circle and the system notifications is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.